Here's the Cordless Robot Lawnmower. Cleaning the bottom of my pool. This is for the bottom of the pool. Basically just goes back and forth, cleans the bottom. See how fast it moves. It's good for a bottom, flat bottom pool. Basically just drives around back and forth. Jet goes one way and jet goes the other way. Collects all the dirt inside the robot. You can see where it's driving, it's cleaning. Back. Does not clean walls, of course. It's not designed for that. You see it stopping, it's hitting the wall here. And then it'll go back. Then it'll do this in a random pattern. And clean the bottom of the pool. Works pretty well. Picks up sand. Oh, you see here now it's going up the pool. This is a pretty steep angle here. This is basically designed for a flat bottom pool. So this one isn't. This one has a slope, so it's not really designed for that. So let's see if it makes it up. Oh, it's probably not going to make it up there. It'll probably come back down. But it's not designed for this, right? So to be fair, it's designed for a flat bottom pool. And there we go. It's a Cordless pool robot. Has a battery. Plug it into the wall to get power in it.